So in a previous video, I needed to install the .NET 3.5 runtime on my Windows 10 machine here, and was unable to do it through like the apps and features through the normal Windows tools. And I just went down a long convoluted path in that video to try to get the .NET 3.5 runtime installed on the machine. And it finally actually came down to doing it through PowerShell. PowerShell is being run as administrator here. And the command is just simply add Windows capability, online name, and netfx3 with 4 tildes after it. And this is actually already installed on the machine, so it won't actually do anything. But that's literally all it took. I went through a ton of forums, a ton of different install methodologies, lots of angry people out there dealing with this. In the end, this is what worked for me. So this is just kind of a quick short video to show how to do this. Hopefully somebody will find it useful, and we'll talk soon.